Southern Italian cuisine often features fresh seafood, spicy ingredients, and fresh herbs. This is due to the regional differences in climate, soil, and agriculture. For example, the cooler climate in the north makes it difficult to grow certain crops, while the warmer climate in the south allows for a wider range of fruits and vegetables to be grown. Cultural significance. The differences between the northern, central, and southern cuisine of a country are not just about food but also reflect the cultural and historical differences between the regions. For example, Northern Italian cuisine has been heavily influenced by neighboring countries such as Austria and Switzerland, as well as by the French cuisine of the Savoy region. Central Italian cuisine has been influenced by the Etruscan and Roman civilizations, while Southern Italian cuisine has been influenced by the Greeks, Arabs, and Spanish, who have all occupied the region at various times throughout history. The cultural significance of regional cuisine can also be seen in the traditional dishes and festivals that are celebrated throughout the country. For example, in northern Italy, the annual White Truffle Festival is a celebration of the prized white truffle, which is found in the region's forests, and used to flavor a variety of dishes. In central Italy, the town of Amatrice holds an annual festival dedicated to the famous pasta dish, bucatini alla matriciana, which originated in the town. In the south, the Feast of the Seven Fishes is a traditional Christmas Eve meal that features a variety of seafood dishes. Conclusion. The differences between the northern, central, and southern cuisine of a country reflect the diverse culinary landscape of the region. These differences are not just about food but also reflect the cultural and historical differences between the regions. By exploring the culinary traditions of a country, we can gain a deeper understanding of its history, culture, and people. Whether you are a food lover or simply interested in learning about different cultures, exploring the regional cuisine of a country can be a fascinating and rewarding experience. Differences between northern, central, and southern cuisine. The geography, climate, and agricultural production of different regions within a country often leads to distinct culinary traditions that set northern, central, and southern cuisine apart. While some commonalities exist across the country's cuisine as a whole, each region tends to develop its own specialty dishes, preferred cooking techniques, and favorite ingredients. Based on local availability, let's explore the differences between northern, central, and southern cuisine using the United States as an example. Northern cuisine. The northern United States includes states stretching from the upper Midwest to New England. Northern cuisine tends to feature heartier flavors. Northern regions experience colder climates which lead to cuisine focused on rich, hearty flavors to warm up locals during the long winters. Stews, chowders, pot roasts, and casseroles dominate the menu. Heavier use of dairy. The historic importance of dairy farming in the North means an emphasis on butter, cream, cheeses, and milk in recipes. Northern cuisine loves rich mac and cheese, gravy-laden mashed potatoes, and creamy soups. Wild game meats. The woods and lakes of the northern states provide plentiful sources of game meat like venison, moose, duck, and trout, which feature prominently in rustic northern cooking. Dark, aromatic breads. Northern grains traditionally favored wheat and rye flour, which bakes up into pumpernickel, rye, and grainy breads with a robust flavor profile. Vegetables rooted in European traditions. Northern vegetables often reflect early European immigrants like cabbage, Brussels sprouts, carrots, and potatoes. Central cuisine. The central United States includes Great Plains and Midwestern states between the northern and southern regions.